In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a trendy aesthetic gradient background using Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels and create the new design. This will open a blank canvas where you can create your gradient background. Next, go to the Elements section on the left side. In the search bar, type Gradient Background. Canva will show many gradient elements with different color styles. Choose a gradient design you like and place it on your canvas. Resize it so it covers the entire background. After adding the gradient, you can customize the colors. Click on the gradient element and use the color options at the top to change the color combinations. You can experiment with different shades to create an aesthetic look. For example, you can try combinations like soft blue and lavender, pink and orange, or mint and peach. Adjust the colors until the gradient looks smooth and visually appealing. You can also rotate or adjust the gradient style to create a unique effect for your design. Once you are happy with the gradient background, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG or JPG to save the background with good quality. That is how you create a trendy aesthetic gradient background using Canva.